We're here in Chicopee. Things are really starting to pick up. That wind is really coming in. Temperatures obviously still cold in the 20s, but I want you to take a look and see kind of the wind blowing around, making it kind of hard to see. The traffic's a bit slow. Everyone's driving, under the speed limit. You want to make sure that you're driving safe. We see a truck right there going by. Slow turns are the best right now. We got a sneak peek of this type of heavy wet snow just a couple of days ago. It was definitely harder and not as fluffy as the last snowstorm. We heard, so these temps are going to be pretty cold. Layer up. If you do go outside, please layer up. Wear your snowshoes, double pants at this point. I'm wearing double pants as well. Power outages are definitely a possibility at this point, so make sure that you have a plan. If the power does go out, make sure you have your generators ready. Make sure you have your essentials ready to go. Food that doesn't need to be microwaved or air fried or anything like that. And lots of things are closing today. Schools obviously are closed. A lot of buildings and offices are closed, happening all around the region, with city officials urging people to stay inside and really just let the plows do their job. We actually have a plow guy about to come right now if we want to pan to him, just kind of getting the snow out of the way, because it's about, Adam measured again, about 4.5 inches. So we have that snow coming in. So check on your friends, check on your family members, especially the elders in your life, because they shouldn't be coming outside, of course, especially if you have pre-existing medical conditions as well. So for now, working for you live in Chicopee, Arata Odaya, 22 News.